inject the excitement into the video. What is going on, guys?
What's hippity happen?
Yep, as you know, this is Delaney. Yeah. And I'm Jayden. Today we're doing another TikTok challenge.
It's a blindfolded taste test.
Yeah, so...
I was about to say dun dun dun.
We'll each pick out a couple items.
It can be whatever. It doesn't have to be like an M&M, you know? It could be like hot sauce mixed with mustard or something.
Or a peppercini.
Or a ghost pepper.
Or a leaf.
We're gonna put on blindfolds and let the other person guess what they're consuming.
Subscribe to our channel.
That was flowing.
And leave a like on the video.
And
the bell.
The bell. Turn on.
Yeah, for post notifications on our newest video. Oh, hey.
Hi.
Do you want to hear about our new YouTube video that we're making?
No.
Well, we're doing an eating challenge where me and Delaney are blindfolded and we both pick out things that the other one should eat and then we have to guess what they are. What do you think? Yes. Well, thank you for the sweet comments. Love you. Give me a kiss. Next one, I'm gonna cover one of these gummies with like a seasoning or something. Just one single one. We're gonna go with the ground cumin. This one's gonna be pretty bad. We're gonna take a Funyun and cover it with peanut butter. Okay, so I'm 2 in. Mom, what do you think I should do for the other one? So I have a gummy bear with seasoning on it and a Funyun with peanut butter. What else do you think I should do?
I think
I want this one to not be as weird because I don't want her to be mad at me, you know?
maybe a cracker with cheese, but make her guess the kind of cracker, since it's such a weird, unusual kind of cracker.
Okay. I think I'm only gonna do 4. I chose a grape tomato and then a grape, and I'm gonna have her eat both of them at the same time. I'm assuming she'll think they're both a grape until she chews on it. Delaney, I only ended up picking 4.
Did you like mix things together over there? Is it, can I look at you?
Oh, this is my snack.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
How am I supposed to guess concoctions?
I only did 2 ingredients.
This is disgusting.
No.
Yeah.
It's not that bad, I promise. It's not like anything that's gonna make you like gag. And we're back. Delaney, me, food challenge. Neko, go lay down. Go, go, go. Shoo, shoo.
Shoo, shoo.
For our first selection, handcrafted by the finest chef in South Nashville, known as
No nose.
Chef Boy RJ. You can do the sniff test.
It's in my nose.
Okay, what does it smell like?
It smells like seasoning.
Okay.
I'm scared.
Okay, I know, but you can overcome your fears. Here, I'll hold your hand.
You said I know.
Okay, ready? Just open your mouth, I'm putting it in.
Oh my god. Is this a dog treat?
No.
Ew. Can I spit it out?
Is it sweet? It's sweet and salty. Okay. Wait. Guess what it is.
It's a gummy and gummy savory.
Okay, good job. Alright, she's 1 for 1. On to the next one. I promise you this one isn't as bad. Alright, now for the next bite. This is gonna be good. This one will make your taste buds happy, I promise.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay.
All right, focus up, focus up.
Focus up.
Nico, leave it. Okay. What is it?
Cheese.
Mm-hmm.
And a pretzel.
No.
A cracker.
It's a cracker.
Chicken biscuit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good
It's
job.
salty.
So this
There's
one's
so many
2.
dogs around me.
This one's 2. And like a little chipmunk, you're gonna store them in your cheeks and guess which one they are, okay? Ready? What?
You're doing them both at the same time.
Okay. Lay down, buddy. Lay down. Okay.
Oh, this is so good. Tomato and a grape.
Wow, you are just so good. It wasn't that bad though, right?
I didn't taste a grape at all.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I just knew it was something around.
All right. Give this one a little sniff test first.
Peanut butter? Chocolate? I hate peanut butter.
Peanut butter and chocolate.
Peanut butter and a Cheeto.
No.
A Funyun.
Yeah. Good job.
Okay, it's your turn now. My
Yep.
turn. Okay. How do you think you're gonna do?
I think I'm gonna do. Oh, for those of you who don't know, this is Luna.
Say hi.
Can you say hi to the camera?
That special guest appearance didn't last long. Okay, ready?
Uh-huh.
Do you want me to give you your water, or are you okay?
Your what?
Oh, I'm scared.
2.
It's a goldfish with jelly on it?
No.
Honey?
Yeah. Ding ding ding. Wait, we never did a smell test last time.
Yeah.
Do you want to do one this time?
I asked.
Okay, sorry. Okay, here's the smell test.
That's ketchup. That's ketchup. Please, I don't want to eat it. I don't want it.
You have to guess what it is.
It's ketchup. I know it. I can smell it. It's ketchup.
It's not just ketchup.
Okay, but it's... I don't want it.
Okay, open wide.
I just gagged. Oh.
Look at Luna looking at you.
Okay.
Okay, open your mouth.
Oh my gosh. An olive with pesto?
No, it's cinnamon.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah.
I don't taste any cinnamon.
Open.
It's one of those cookies, but with like salt on it or something.
Yeah.
No. I did a good job, huh?
Yeah, well, I did better. I won.
What?
Yeah.
You won?
Yeah, you didn't guess the cinnamon. You didn't guess the cereal.
Oh my gosh,
You guessed
that
these
looks
two.
so gross. That looks like a scab or something. Well, actually, that wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. I was kind of expecting to throw up.
Well, you're the one who gasped. It's Nico! Oh no! Sit, you're gonna be in the video, sit.
Sit. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. We had a lot of fun doing this one. We kind of wanted to try another TikTok hack video.
Challenge.
Yeah, challenge. Because we had a lot of fun with the very first one and you guys seemed to like it. If you could like this video, give it a thumbs up, and then turn on your post notifications and subscribe, we would highly appreciate it. thanks for watching this video. We'll see you in the next one. We love you guys.